Welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. This is going to be a short video. I just wanted to come on and wish all my YouTube friends a very happy and blessed Easter. We're going over to my daughter's today. My birthday was this past Friday, and my son's birthday is next Friday. So as you saw by the, I think it's Thursday, April 5th, and as you saw by the cake, we're bringing that over and we're going to celebrate both the birthdays today. I have a lot of things that I made that I'm going to show you that I brought over. The birdies, my parrots, are saying Happy Easter in the background too. I absolutely love this cake. And I want to say, it's my favorite, chocolate with cannoli filling. And the way it is decorated is adorable. It has jelly beans on it, and little Easter decorations and little Easter kisses, and it is so cute. And one rule I have is I never bake my own birthday cake. Right, cameraman?
Right, Diva.
Cameraman knows those rules. Do you want to say anything to my subscribers, cameraman?
Welcome back, and oh, I'm sorry, Happy Easter.
Jeez. Oh, well. I'm just going to put this aside for a minute. I want to show you, oh, and these bunnies over here. These little bunnies, everybody thought they were chocolate. If you saw them in person, you would think they were chocolate bunnies, but they're not. I bought them years ago. My grandson was here last night, and he's like, Grandma, are they real? I said, no, they're not real, but everybody thinks they are. Let me just try to move this cake over a little. Isn't this adorable? My girlfriend Kathy gave this to me the other day. It says happy birthday, and it's a little flower arrangement, looks like a cupcake. And what I made to bring to my daughters is I made my grandma's Italian cookies, and I made a platter of them. I dipped some peeps. I put some of my pizzelles in the middle. Can you see that, cameraman?
I think so.
And I decorated them. Usually I don't do that colored icing, but I thought they would be very Easter festive. I have a lot more to bring over too. I made all my grandsons a big container of my chocolate chip cookies because they love those. And I made malted milk fudge. That's from the Cadbury eggs, the malted milk eggs, and I'm bringing those over. My daughter requested my malted milk dip, so I made that, but that's in the refrigerator. So I have lots of goodies I'm bringing over. If anybody wants to try these Italian cookies, they're one of the videos. I'll put the link down below, and I got a lot of views on them. They're very good and they're very popular. So anyway, we're off to my daughter's house. I'm gonna get yelled at if I'm late, but also don't forget, never know what's going to happen here on my channel, and it is also April Fool's Day, so I'll try to get a couple of pictures at my daughter's, and I'll see you later. Oh, we just arrived at my daughter Dawn's house. Going to be having Easter dinner here. The gang has arrived.
Higher than pumpkin.
I know, but
She has such a pretty living room. I love the colors. Look at the pretty, colorful flowers here. The bouquets are so beautiful. There's Grandpa over there on his crutches.
hurry up.
He hurt his knee. Grandpa, what do you have to say about this?
April Fool!
You got it.
April Fool! April Fool! April Fool! April Fool!
They all believed them. April Fool.
Hey, he's smiling.
Thank God. I feel like spilling the apples, eh?
I mean, 4 grandsons. In the green shirt is Kyle. In the, what color shirt is that?
Right.
The gray Pequonic shirt is Jake. And there's the little sweetie in the dark blue shirt, Lucas. And there's Aaron over there in the red shirt. Couldn't do an Easter egg hunt this year because Grandma was sick. So we're over at my daughter's house, and I gave them all a bucket. And what did I bake you kids, huh? Let me see, Aaron, what I bake you? Baked them all Don't open them. You're gonna get in trouble before dinner. I made them all their favorite chocolate chip cookies, and now you have some eggs in your basket, so you can open your eggs
Right now?
and see what you got. I think you got some goodies in there. What's that? Oh, let me zoom in on that. You know what that is? Those are chocolate-covered sunflower seeds.
What is it?
Chocolate-covered sunflower seeds. What else did you get in there? Any chocolate?
I got money!
Money? You got money in your egg? Oh, all right. Oh, Lucas, you're so excited. Lots of money. What's everybody got? Oh, wait, don't put it in your pocket. Keep it all together in a pile, then you can count it.
These are all $1.
Whoa.
Fortnite.
The two on the left here are getting big, these boys.
Save the world, Save the world.
I figured you could always use some money, right? Oh, look, Jake's more money in your eggs. See, what we normally do is we put their initial on all their eggs for the egg hunt, and then they collect the eggs that have their initial. But now they have, I don't know how many eggs in their bucket.
This one has no L or anything on it.
Oh, that's yours if it was in your bucket.
Yeah. Oh, more money. I keep getting money.
What are you going to do with all that money?
How many eggs?
Save it for Fortnite.
Oh, jeepers.
There's 10 eggs.
Nothing in there?
Grandma, there's 10 eggs. That's $10.
Well, count your dollars when you're done.
Lick my chocolates.
And no eating any more cookies. We're going to have dinner.
Drink this.
Thank you, Gransta.
Oh, you're welcome, Lucas.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Saving this all for Fortnite.
Thanks, Gram Sams.
You're welcome,
This
kids.
is for Fortnite.
You don't play Fortnite.
Okay,
You don't.
All right. Enjoy your chocolate. Enjoy your cookies. Enjoy your money. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter's.
Here's a yummy looking spiral ham that we're gonna have. Jason, did you take care of this ham? Did you bake it?
I did bake it. I made it myself.
Wow, it looks wonderful.
Homemade.
Everybody's tummies are full, but we're getting ready for dessert in a little while. There's the that's the malted milk Cadbury egg dip I made. And this is the platter with my grandma's Italian cookies, and I threw some pizzelles in the middle and some chocolate dipped bunnies and peeps. And over here, it's a new recipe I tried this year. It's the Cadbury egg malted milk fudge. So I'm going to see how everybody likes that. And we have to bring up the birthday cake soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, Jake.
Happy birthday, dear Louis Scotty.
Sing.
Happy birthday to you.
You do half and I'll do half.
Don't spit on it. Don't spit on it, Grandma.
Yippee! Yay! Happy birthday, Scotty.
Happy birthday
Okay,
to
turn it
you.
Say hi to Grandpa, everybody. Woohoo!
Hi.
Where's Peter?
Kyle, look at the
How
camera.
exciting! Happy birthday to
That's hot.
Llama, the baking diva, and Scott.
Anything else, just this.
No.
Think
I don't have a knob.
Daddy.
That's a knob.
Uncle Grandpa.
Okay, that's good.
Can it smell? I don't want to smell. That's good.
No.
No, no.